Hey guys, Chef Gibby here. Welcome. Thanks for watching the video. Today we're going to talk about Vince Vora. It's a new victory method, a product that is designed by one of our favorite system designers. So stay with me. As I said in the intro, we're going to talk a little bit about Vince Vora's victory system. And if you're not familiar with Vince, I sure am. We've been working with Vince for for decades. And he's been working on charting designs and technical systems and all that kind of stuff for over 3 decades now. He's somebody that we've loved to partner with. Our customers that have tried his other methods like the victory system, the veracity system, have absolutely loved it. He does such a good job and he's so thorough in the designs and the systems that he puts out and that he creates. So we're very, very happy to be working with him. And what happened and kind of the genesis of this system is several months ago, he actually gave me a phone call. He's like, "Hey, Jeff, I have an idea for some new systems that I want to create that will work well in a post-corona era market with the volatility and that kind of stuff. And would you be interested in kind of helping me create these methodologies and these systems?" And of course, the systems that we've designed with Vince have been some of our most popular, most prolific systems. So I was on board from day one, and we created a brand new system. And I'm just going to kind of spend just a few minutes today kind of showing you around it with Vince. If you've ever used his methodologies, they're very straightforward. They're easy to use, they're easy to implement, and they're easy to understand. So let's get right to it. Well, here's a picture of the Victory Method box. I think it looks amazing. Let's go ahead and kind of dive right now into the program. I'm going to just, like I said, just walk you around it. So I'm gonna right here, I've got a chart ready and open. This is a Dish Network. This is a system or a stock that I found by system testing, which you can do with the Vora Victory Method, and I'll show that in a little bit. I've just basically applied the expert advisor, the moving average, which is a 20-period simple, and all of the systems. And I'm just going to kind of show the elements of kind of what you're going to see on the chart. So you will see automatically, you see right here, right before this nice move up, you see a little bit of a buy arrow. Right here, you see a little bit of a sell arrow. And anytime that you're in a long trade, or anytime that the victory method is recommending a long trade, you're going to have kind of a green highlight. So we've been long on Dish Network since using the victory method since November 5th. Okay, and nothing has really changed since then. Over here, we would have been short from 9.3 to about 11.5. You see that here on the chart because everything is highlighted red. You have the short signal. Right here, what these are, these white dots on the chart, those are what are called re-entry opportunities. So the way that you kind of read these is, let's say that you were looking at Dish Network and you'd missed this initial opportunity to go ahead and go short, but you're looking at Dish Network, it's starting to kind of sell off. If you see right here where the circle shows up, that's a re-entry signal. That's just another indication that you can continue to go short. The victory system is telling you that we expect this is going to continue to go down. So it does say that. We also did implement this with a full commentary system. So if I highlight any particular day of the bar, like let's go ahead and highlight this particular long entry, you'll see right here that it says the victory system is signaling a long opportunity. Okay, it's going to give you some advice, and I love the advice that Vince gives. It's going to tell you what options you should be looking at, what type of expirations you should look at, what deltas you should be considering, and how you're going to get out of that system or get out of this trade. And you can see it right here. The victory system is currently in a long position. Traders should look to exit this position if the price of the security closes below 26.81. So here it's telling us to get long. It's telling us what kind of options that we can look to buy if we want to trade it with options. And it's giving us an exact stop loss as well. So we know it doesn't leave much to the imagination. We know where we're going to get in and we know when we're going to get out. Okay, this stop loss value, if I kind of arrow this over, let's go ahead and move this commentary to this bar, will update every day. So you can come, or every bar, I should say. So you can come in here, every new bar, and you'll have a new exit position or an exit value. So right here it's saying 27.93, and right now here it's saying 32.58. Currently, it's looking for an exit at $34.80. If it goes down below there, you're basically going to have your exit position. So very, very easy to read, very, very easy to use, very, very well explained in the Expert Advisor. This is also in add-on. The Victory system is an add-on that utilizes all of Metastock's power tools. So if I want to come in here, I can come in here. And obviously with me, I'm an options trader. One of the advantages of Metastock is if I want to go in and find opportunities that exist in the market for Victory, I can go in and say, okay, tell me what's happening right now. What can I do? So there are two basic explorations. There's a Vora Victory and a Vora Victory re-entry that you can run. I've got them both selected here. And I can run those. If I'm an options trader, I want to be able to look at all of the optionable opportunities. I could run those against all 4,300 optionable stocks right here. I'm just going to do the S&P 500 just to kind of keep it nice and tidy. And we'll just go ahead and click on Start Exploration here. And that fast, you can see it zipping through. Right now, it's finding the Victory entry signals. It's done with that, and now it's finding the re-entry signals. So this is also very easy to read on the exploration. If you have basically have them all listed in columns here, right here, if I sort them, I can sort them based on new long. If it has a 1 right here in the column called new long, it's just basically an entry opportunity. It's also going to give me a slope calculation. The slope calculation, basically what we're doing with the slope calculation is we're looking at the slope of a 20-period simple moving averages. And the bigger the slope, the better of an opportunity it is. So if I'm looking at this here, I've got a list of the S&P 500. Out of those, I have 41 that have an entry opportunity either long or short today. And if I want to see which ones are the best or the most recommended by Victory, I can sort them just based on this slope. And the one with the biggest slope would be 26, but it's a new short, so we wouldn't want to do that. The best new long would be this Hartford Financial Services. It has an 11 slope, and it's giving us a new long. So very, very easy to read. Again, you can run that exploration either as just to look for entry opportunities, initial entry opportunities, or the re-entry opportunities, depending on what scan you run. Okay. And in addition to that, with Metastock, we have what I humbly feel is like one of the best system testers on the marketplace. With the Metastock system tester, you can go in and find out exactly how well any particular method, including the Victory method, would have performed over the last several years or decades or whatever kind of data you want to crunch through there. And I'm not going to go into like a full system test here, but there is a Vora Victory test. I'll run a quick system test against the S&P 100. It's going to test all of those S&P 100 stocks. I'll go ahead and click on the results here just to kind of give you an idea. And very, very easily, I can see what stocks work really well with the Victory method, what stocks don't really work well with the Victory method. And it allows me to kind of focus on, in this case, if I was wanting to trade the Victory method, I'd want to focus on Apple, which over the last year made about 56% in profit. So I can get a real clear idea of how that works and really prioritize what's working well. So it's a system that we're very proud of. Vince did a great job with kind of his goal of creating something that works well in a post-corona world, in a post-corona marketplace. And the integration with Metastock, it includes the ability to go in and get the Expert Advisor, see the commentary, get your daily updated stop loss, scan for entries, and even test to see how well it performed over the last year. So you're going to get a full add-on, fully integrated with Metastock. Again, detailed commentary, those expert alerts, full market scanning for both the triggers and the re-entries, and the system test as well. The cost of the Vora Victory add-on is a one-time cost, so you don't have to pay for it month after month after month. It's only $1,997, and you own it forever. We do offer it with our 30-day money-back guarantee. I'd encourage you to give it a try. You can call us at 800-882-3040. You can visit us at metastock.com/saleschat and give it a go. See how you like it. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe. Stay well. I'll see you at the next one.